Today, we are talking about one of the most dangerous security vulnerabilities on the web, that is called broken access control. Broken access control. This is one of the vulnerabilities on the OWASP on top 10 list. OWASP. What is broken access control? If user gets an access beyond their permissions. Okay, permission. This is called broken access control. Okay, if user gets an access beyond their permission, this is called broken access control. Broken access control. Broken access control occurs when any authorization rule fails. Okay, the first one is role based failures. The second one is ownership failure. Ownership failure. So, broken access control happens when authorization rules such as role based permissions or ownership checks are missing or improperly enforced, allowing users to access resources beyond their intended permission. In simply, if user gets an access beyond their permission, this is broken access control. Let's walk through two real cases right now. The case one, role based broken access control. Okay, first let me show you the normal flow. The admin sends a request. Let's say this, admin sends a request get slash API slash admin slash dashboard. The server checks, hey, this person is an admin. If it is yes, access the granted and 200 is okay. Perfect. This is expected, right? See, admin is access authorized. Now, watch this again. The user 1 is not an admin, but they type the same URL. You can see in the top, which is in the red color, request get API slash admin slash dashboard. So what should happen? The user should say 403 forbidden, right? You don't have the permissions. But look what actually happens here. The servers returns 200 okay. Access granted to regular users too. This is broken access control detected. This is a vulnerable. That is role based broken access control. The server never checked the user's role. It just saw a valid request. To fix this, one line from the server side. Don't give users to admin access. So the server returns 403 forbidden. That's it. Problem solved. Case 2. Ownership based broken access control. Now, user 1 checks their own profile data. Let's see the image first. It's 200, right? Because the user 1 is accessing their profile. The profile is API users profile slash 1. Now the same user, I mean user 1, checks users 2 profile data. Let's see it. Right. Now You are also getting the 200 OK. This is vulnerable, right? Now, user 1 can also read users 2 profiles data. It could be name, or it could be an email, it could be a bank balance, or it could be his address, whatever is stored in that profile, right? So the server checked that the user was logged in, but it never checked, does this profile, does this user is actually belongs to you, correct? So it checks only authentication, it never checked authorization, kind of. So the fix is, after fetching profile from the database, check if user 1 is actual logged in user or not. That's it. If it is an actual logged in user, you process, otherwise you return 403. Forbidden. Never trust the ID coming from the URL. Always verify the ownership on the server. Let me walk through the code flow. Broken access control vulnerabilities. So as we see in the first diagram, the get API admin dashboard. Okay, this is admin dashboard API. The scenario is admin should access the dashboard. The user one should not access admin dashboard, right? But due to bad config, both can access. This is the vulnerable code. There is a REST controller, request mapping, admin controller. You see there is a get mapping. This API is belongs to admin dashboard. Okay. In this API, you see that no role restriction. So anyone can access this thing, right? This is vulnerable code. How to fix that? So use method level security. So you have to use @pre-authorize as role of admin. If the user is having an admin role, then only he can access the admin dashboard. The user 1 or user 2, now he cannot access due to the role permission. The second fix is, you can also configure your security in your security filter chain. Just match your API admin. Okay, this admin URL has an access for only admin access. ఇలాంటి టెక్ టిప్స్, ఫ్యాక్ట్స్ అండ్ ట్యుటోరియల్ కోసం టెక్వికాను ఫాలో చేసి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. ఈ వీడియో నచ్చితే లైక్ చేసి మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్తో షేర్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.